welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Velvet. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you already hit that subscribe button, make sure you hit that bell button so that you get all my notifications whenever I upload. So today I have a very special video for you guys. I have my birthday makeup. Today is my birthday. Well, not when I'm recording this. Today when I post it will be my birthday, my 23rd birthday, and I decided I wanted to do a look. I wanted to do a look, and I wanted it to be pink because I wanted to try on this little pink wig or whatever. I'm not done messing with it. I just kind of threw it on, cut it, and threw it on my head. But it's super cute. It's still shining. I have to fix that because, girl, that's not cute. But yeah, this look is super cute. It's like, what is it, like a cut crease and a glitter and pink and extravagant lashes, and it's just everything. It is everything. So I'm gonna stop talking and I'm gonna get to the video. Okay, so of course we're gonna start off with our primer or our concealer in this case, whichever you like to use. I like to use concealer because it's a thick base. And we're going to blend it out with this BH Cosmetics brush. It's a fluffy brush. You can use any brush. And I go over my eyebrows because I'm going to make them purple later in the application. And then we're going to take some Ben Nye banana powder and set that concealer. Then I'm going to go in with this fluffy, it's kind of a wide fluffy dome brush, and the color Pretty in Pink from Morphe. And I'm going to use this all over my lid above my crease area to create a transition color. And I'm going to build it up just to get the color to be as intense as I want it to be. And then I'm going to go in with this tighter fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to use the color Poodle from ColourPop, and I'm going to do the same thing and use it all over my lid above the crease area just to deepen up the color. It's like a second transition color sort of, but not really. And then we're going to just make sure it's all blended together and blend it out well. Then I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics palette with this hot fuchsia pink purple color and blend that in there as well, just to create some color gradient because that looks nice. Yeah. And make sure you blend out those edges and bring back any color that you lost from blending before. Then I'm going to go into my BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil palette with this little color right here. This is on a pointy fluffy blending brush, and I'm going to keep it close to my I'm going to keep it close to my crease. And make sure you blend in between. Then I'm going to go in with this purple color, and I'm going to use a very pointy tight blending brush. It's very pointy. And then I'm going to use this brush from Morphe to blend out the purple. I will leave all the brushes that I use in the description box down below, so be sure to check that out and anything that I don't remember to name. And then I'm going to go in with this purple color and the black color from the palette, and I'm going to use this in the outer corner to deepen it up a little bit. Give it some more dimension. Girl, what am I laughing at? And then of course I'm blending it out, make it all seamless. Then I'm going to go in with this AOA Studio concealer and a flat brush
I really love this concealer because it's super thick, it covers everything, and it dries nicely. You can get this concealer at Shop Miss A. I believe it was only $1, so girl, grab you a couple if you need. I put a little bit of oil in mine because it came to me a little bit too dry. So it wouldn't have been cute. I mean, it would have still worked, but it just was too dry for me. So I put a little oil in it. I don't know what I was just doing. And then I'm gonna set it with some benign banana powder, of course. And then we're gonna go in with that Pretty in Pink on the outer corner, just to help the transition be smooth between the color that we put on the lid and then the color on the outside, which is the purple. Then I'm gonna go in with this flat synthetic brush and this very shimmery pink color from my Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette, and that's gonna go on majority of the lid where I laid down the concealer. And then I'm going to use this other pink color right next to it. You can't really tell what it did in the video, but I promise you it did something. It was like a little bit of color there. You can't really see it in the video though. And then I'm going to go in with Poodle to create a transition from the shimmery to the purple. And then I'm going back in with the purple and the black to create the depth again. And now we're going to start on the glitter liner part. This is a small eyeliner pencil brush from Sigma, and this is my NYX glitter glue. I love this glitter glue primer, and this is their glitter, and I believe the number 6. It's the clear holographic, white holographic, I don't know. And I'm going to do this in a very thin line right where the champagne-y pink color meets the purple, which is like where my eyes would crease sort of, and above it a little bit, because I have hooded lids, so I have to put it above my crease. And then we're going to take the glitter and we're going to like stamp it on. We don't want to swipe it on because it can mix with the glitter glue and it will dull out the glitter and it won't look cute and it won't be sparkly. So we're going to stamp it on very carefully. We want to keep it in line. And yeah, that's pretty much how I did that.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you give me a big thumbs up because it is really appreciated. Make sure you hit that bell button and leave a comment below if you want to. I will see you guys later in the week. Thank you so much for watching this video. It kind of means a whole bunch to me since it's my birthday video. So thank you all so much for watching my video again. I feel like I look like, you know, a princess or something.